Welcome back. This is the train channel. We have a short freight train heading to Oil City. Let's check it out. No, this is one tanker and everything else is grain hoppers all the way till the end. Good thing we got rid of that rusty hoppers. The one that... There's the end. Hopper into the trays. I love that. All right. Oh, what's that? Oh, it's your phone. I was trying to. I was saying, whoa. All right, that's gonna be it. We'll be back on. What's that? Is this the Oil City? This is the Oil City train, yes. Huh? Let's cross these tracks before we get off the bumps, huh? Get into the bumps, huh? Yep, got a couple of stop signs over by the bridge, huh? There you go. All right, that's gonna be it. We'll be back on. Yeah, this is one tanker and everything else was grain hoppers all the way till the end. All right, that's gonna be it. We'll be back on. Talk to you later.